Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how you can use voucher code on daraz app. So if you want to purchase anything from daraz and you want to use your voucher code, so you can use it. So for that, and you will get some discount. So if you want to use voucher code, let's suppose select any product from the list. Let's suppose I will select this product. When I will click on this, just simply I will click on buy now. When I click on buy now, so now this product is simply click on buy now. Now when you are on this checkout page or simply payout page, here at the bottom you will see an option called enter store or draws code. So simply just enter your voucher code here, which is your voucher code. Simply enter your voucher code and simply click on apply. When you click on apply, your voucher code will be applied and your discount will be added to your final balance. Again, let's suppose I will select any other product and I will show you. There is direct option for voucher code. So let's say I will select this one. Simply click on buy now. Now simply click on confirm. So when you are on this page, here you can see there is written total rs 504. Just click on this amount and here you will get the option called voucher. Just simply enter your voucher code here. Simply enter voucher code and just simply click on apply. If your voucher code is valid, then it will be applied and your discount will be added and your final amount will be reduced. So this is the way you can apply a voucher code on daraz while purchasing.